What is going on, my friends? Victor Huerta, your local real estate agent, and we are going to deep dive into the Phoenix housing market, and we are going to compare December of 2019 to December of 2018. Yes, it is almost Christmas, but we have the housing numbers here for December of 2019. So I'm going to bring you that data right now. Hey, so before we deep dive into the data, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, click that bell to get notified when we drop our latest video. You will get notified via your email as soon as we drop another video. We're just bringing some great content, some home buyer tips, home seller tips, the Phoenix housing market. You gotta understand what's going on with the Phoenix housing market as well. So don't forget to hit subscribe, click that bell to get notified when we drop our latest video. Okay, so I got the Crawford report with me right here. I am not going to be the talking head. No, I am not. I am going to show you my tablet screen. You are going to hear me. You are going to see me, and you are going to see some data. So let me share my screen with you right now, and let's deep dive into December of 2019's data, and we're going to compare it to December of 2018's data. Okay, my friends, as you can see here, I got the screen share going on here. Let me adjust this microphone real quick. Boom, there we are. Okay, as you can see here, we have the Phoenix Metro residential real estate from annual changes from December 7th of 2018 to December 7th of 2019. So let's kind of deep dive into this data to show you what's going on with the Phoenix real estate market right now. So as you can see, we have active listings for sale, 13,857. We are down, minus 24% right there. So what this is telling you is that there's not a lot of homes for sale, okay? From last year, we are down 24.4% of active listings for sale, and that means homes that you are searching for to buy, to live in, or to invest and to rent in, to have renters, to rent. So just keep mindful on that number. Now we're gonna go back down here to listings under contract, which is 12.1%. And as I deep dive into these housing numbers, this will all make sense when I move down on this data. So pretty much any house that we put on the market, we are actually getting sold. Okay, so 12.1% listings are going under contract right away. So look at this monthly median sales price, folks, right here. Let me highlight this for you right here. Okay, 8.4% from last December. Okay, so if you were in 2017 and you said, I'm gonna wait till 2018 to buy a house, and then you said, I am going to wait till 2019 to buy a house, okay, well, you're gonna be paying 8.4% for waiting an entire year. And of course, in 2020, it's gonna go higher. I'm just gonna keep it real. It's gonna go higher. So if you are on the fence and think that prices are gonna slow down in our state, in Maricopa County, Pinal County, etc., that is not the case. Okay, we are gonna have a correction in San Francisco, in Texas, in Florida, I believe, and the other state was, I think it was Oregon, if I recall. If I do not recall, I will drop the link on that video as well below. But in Arizona, it is not going to happen. So you keep on waiting, you're gonna pay a higher price. Okay, just keeping it real. Okay, closed sales, 7,763, right here in the middle, up 16.4% compared to last December. And this number is gonna actually, if you look at the data coming up next, you're going to know the reason why these two numbers right here exist. This one right here and this one right here. And it's all going to be because of the listing success rate that we have right here. Okay, 85%. So 85% of the homes that come on the market are selling. Okay, so these are listings that came off or active in pending status, meaning that 85% successfully closed escrow and only 15% canceled or expired, meaning that the seller didn't want to move forward to sell the house. Okay. Now, let's go into the big data right here. Okay, something that you want to look at here if you're a seller or a buyer, more on the buying side, because if you're a buyer and trying to be very selective, trying to use your buyer's tricks on getting a house, it's very difficult right now. Okay, sellers have been running the game with prices, negotiations. We're still seeing some seller concessions, but price reduction. If you're looking for a good deal, do not call me, because I can't get you a good deal on price, but I can get you a good deal on some terms. There's a difference. Okay, there is a difference depending on where you're gonna buy. Okay, if you're looking for a deal, that is tough to find right now. Let me tell you, we are investors. We look for deals all the time, and it is tough. I mean, the wholesalers. I mean, I don't even know you can wholesale anymore in this area in Maricopa County. It is difficult right now to wholesale a property here in Arizona at the prices we are at right now. Very minimal profits. Okay, so let's take a look here. We are right here at 2.4 months. Okay, that means that if no new listings came on the market at all, if no other seller said, hey, I'm not putting my house on the market, if everybody said no more homes on the market, we would sell out in 2.4 months. Okay, this is called a seller's market. Seller's market, my friend. Seller's market, meaning that if that seller is going to sell their house, they have somewhere to go. They're even leaving out of state, upgrading, or downgrading. Okay, so that's kind of where we're at as far if you're a buyer. If you are a seller, you're going to get multiple offers if you are priced correctly, if your house is located in a great location, if it's the condition of the home is actually in great condition, okay, compared to your overall market in your neighborhood or 1 mile radius, and also digital marketing, just like this video that you're looking at right here. So just to recap, here's the recap right there. Active listings for sale, minus 24.4%, my friends. So if you're looking for a house, being very selective, you might want to broaden your search a little bit, loosen up that criteria if you're looking to buy a house coming in at the end of 2019 or in 2020. Listings under contract, you see that as 12.1% increase. Monthly median sales price has gone up 8.4% from last year. So if you waited last year, you're paying 8.4% more this year, and who knows what that number will be next year, which will probably be a lot more. Listing success rate, if you are a seller looking to sell your house, you have an 80% chance successfully selling your house in the least amount of time for the highest price. We just got to work on a plan to see where you want to go. Okay, we got to work that plan first before you even list your house for sale. Don't go backwards, okay? ASS backwards. Don't do that. You will be in trouble. You will be in trouble because when you get bombarded with offers and you have nowhere to go, it's going to stress you out. Don't do that. Months of supply, 2.4 months. There it is for you buyers who are being very picky, trying to negotiate that price. It's going to be hard. It's going to be hard to find a deal. I'm just keeping it real. It is hard to find a deal. Okay, there are tactics and tools and strategies on how to work out a price after you are under the contract, and that is during the inspection period. I can relay that message to you. I can show you how to do it, but all you have to do is contact us. We'll get you a house, and we can try to negotiate as much as possible during the terms of the inspection. Hint, during the terms of the inspection. Okay, the number one goal is if you really love the house, you got to get it under contract first. Get it under contract first. Let us do our job. Let us do the work, and then we can try to figure out to try to get you the best deal during the inspection period. Okay, that is just a little pro tip here from an active agent. So there you are, guys, is the overall housing market right here for December of 2019 compared to December of 2018. Once again, I am Victor Huerta, a local real estate agent, active real estate agent here in the Valley. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that bell to get notified when we drop our latest video. Once again, we're just doing it. We're bringing you the home buyer topics, the home seller topics, the investment topics that you wanted to hear, the Phoenix housing market topics, all for free, just to keep you educated, keep that mind going. And maybe when you guys decide to buy, sell, or invest, you will reach out. But anyways, we will see you in 2020 and on the next video.